we're gonna jump right in. I tend to throw random things into this drawer, so I just figured it's time to clean it out and move my makeup out of my makeup bags and go ahead and put them into my bathroom. I had my makeup inside of my makeup bags, so it'd be easier to just grab them if I wanted to run out or if I had an event at nighttime, if I was going somewhere. But I just feel like it's easier to just have it all in one space. So here I'm just gonna clean out a lot of this stuff and then move my makeup into the drawer. I have the most random items in this drawer. It's ridiculous. So in here, I'm just gonna take out some of my items that I use for like my bath time and deodorant that I was saving to do reviews and stuff on. But like, I'm just gonna have to find something else or another way to review it. I really think I'm going to stop buying that product that you just saw because it gives me a rash and it honestly makes me a little more sweaty the other deodorants. And then I was going to do a review on Cora. I'm still going to do a review on them, so I'm going to keep that packaging just so I can show for video purposing. And that's why some of this stuff was in here, stuff that I can't quite throw away, but I just didn't have anywhere to store it. So I'm going to move these contents out of this drawer and put things that I need to throw away. I'm going to go ahead and trash it. I'm not going to make a pile for it. I'm just going to get rid of it now. And then the things that I want to keep, just put it on top of my cabinet. Here is a flyer for Manuka Honey. In case any of you guys don't know what that is, it's very good for your skin, good to do face masks with, put it on burns and stuff like that. So this is pretty much everything that I'm going to keep and throw away right in this area, and things that just need to better organize that's on the counter. Also, a part of me cleaning, I need to go ahead and get in here and get like a scrub brush and wipe down some of this residue, dust, and just whatever other stuff is on the counter. I'm going to go through here with my surface cleaner after I clean all this up and wipe everything down really good. The sink is pretty much super dirty because we paint and we let the paint out in this sink. When I do my mud masks, stuff drips and stuff, and I don't clean it up right away because I usually do those things late at night. So now I'm just going to go ahead and spray the sink down with this surface cleaner as well, and go ahead and try to get some of it to soak while I wipe off my brushes, and then I'll go back in and clean it up.
kind of feel like a part of cleaning my brushes are also to wipe down the handles. So just to sanitize this, I'm just going to be using some alcohol and a cotton round, just rub them down really good. This is the first time of me cleaning my makeup brushes, so I only kept a few of them that I have, and I'm going to buy some more and then put them in this little thing right here, which I got from Target, and I think it's actually a pencil holder, but I think it kind of is nice, so I'm just going to put it in there. And then I'll go in to try to organize my cabinets. I'm not sure if I'll get around to that today because there's just so much stuff that I need to clear out of here. But you can see kind of the products that I have. And on the other side, I have my hair products. But I don't even think you want to see that right now because it's even messier than this cabinet right here. Yesterday, I went ahead and I showed you how I washed these brushes. And so this morning, I just ran my fingers across to feel them, and they feel dry. I'm not sure if it's all the way dry. Like, I didn't put my hands all the way in there. It's just like a little damp, but it's much drier than I thought it would be just from tonight. Just from that one night. So I guess that's good for a good like a first time trying to dry these brushes. And today I might actually go buy a few more brushes. I know I need to pick up a moisturizer, so I might go to Ulta and pick that up. I honestly just don't feel like driving an hour away just for that. So we'll see how the day goes. And if I pick up some more brushes, then I'll show you guys those as well. Okay, so we're back from Target, and I did pick up a few things, but underneath all of this junk are the few brushes that I did buy from Target. I've had these brushes before. One of them I've had, and the other one I'm just gonna go ahead and add to this collection. So I'm just gonna check, and yeah, they're pretty much dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them to the little pencil holder that I have. Little holder now. Try to smell them. They smell so good because of what I use to wash them with. So I'm just gonna stick those in there. And I don't think people wash their brushes before they use them. Y'all let me know if that's something that y'all do. But I did get a Precision powder brush because, okay, y'all, since I didn't have so many brushes, sometimes I will go back over my face with my powder with the same brush I was applying my foundation with, and that just wasn't working. So I went ahead and got another brush. I think this one was like $13. It was either 13 or 16. I think it was $13 from the e.l.f. line. And then I got a stipple brush, so I'll be able to use this to also put on my foundation. So these are the two brushes that I picked up. I had a beauty blender in my basket, but I just decided to just wait because I wasn't sure if I would like it. So I'm just going to wait till I go to Ulta to get that. I actually picked up these two brushes from Target. And it was so hard trying to shop with the kids. They were just having a good time, but I honestly just could not think. I probably would have got more if they were in there. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing either. But I'm just going to take these out and then place them in here as well. All right, so now that I have them out of the packaging that they're in, I'm just gonna place them in here like I told you guys. This is actually a pencil holder that I got from Target like a while ago, and so I never put my pencils in it because I ended up putting them somewhere else. So I just decided to bring this to the bathroom and put some makeup brushes in. I feel like I'll get more use out of it this way, and hopefully my little makeup collection will grow a little bit. Right now it's so small, I don't want it to get out of hand, but I think this is like a good start for right now. I've always kept them inside of here because I didn't want them to get germs or just be out like that, but I'm not sure if this, keeping it in the plastic, was actually doing any good. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the end of me organizing and cleaning my brushes and my makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day.